Uh-oh.
What the hell did you do, Tom?
I didn't do anything.
Did you do this?
I just said I didn't do anything.
Poor Tom.
That pisses me off.
Rough on Tom.
That dude,
Well, I had to be.
I didn't do anything.
who else would have did it, Tom?
I had to sell
You're
it.
always gonna be playing games about the chickens and everything, right?
Dude,
You did do pretty good at selling it, though. I give you that.
I had to sell it.
Right. And look at that scowl you got.
I can't believe that.
Look how white your goatee is.
What are you so mad at me for?
That's when my face turns red. It looks whiter.
But don't you feel bad when you yell at your son like that?
Not at all.
No? All the years with Jess, I always felt bad when I had to do it.
I don't know.
You really did a good job,
Yeah,
Blair.
look at you.
Oh, thanks. Thank you. Well, I'd like to accept this award on behalf of all of my friends and family.
Gosh. The sad part is, you didn't eat your egg.
I said, I thought I had a fresh egg.
Did you? Did you see? Did you like all the chicken shit on there?
Oh yeah, that was nasty, man.
That was good. I thought. I was trying to make it real.
Man, I got it all over my fingers, and it was hardened on.
How'd it taste?
How did it taste?
Did you lick your
It
finger?
was hard to wash it off.
It is hard to wash. So when chicken shit dries.
But see, I had to do that, right? I had to sell it like that because
Right.
I still.
He's not out there. You don't see
if
him,
he
right?
comes out here.
Yeah, I don't.
Give the high side if Tom comes around the corner.
I had to.
Okay.
I still don't know if he's the inside man working with Joe or not, because there has to be one. I don't think Joe knows as much about the security system around the house that Tom does.
Yeah, because it is convenient. So.
Right. So,
But do you think, honestly, Tom would team up with him?
and, well, that's the funny thing. It's like Tom and him make special packs sometimes. Like sometimes Tom has went and had him like make him something or like
What, like food?
Yeah, like okay, you got to give me ribs or something like that. He's also had him like Joe was in the hot tub. He didn't rat him out right away to me.
You let Joe in your hot tub?
No, I did not.
Oh.
He went in my hot tubs. I had to empty the water right afterwards.
No, I don't
and
blame you.
refill
I'd
it.
have done the same thing.
But like Tom gets him to do the jobs that I give to Tom. Excuse me, and then he has Joe do it when I'm not around, and then he acts like he did it. So I don't trust either one of them. But Joe is the one that's like he's the one that I think deserves this the most. However, I do have to say that I felt bad when I kicked him out of the house. I felt bad.
Oh, you felt bad for Joe.
Yeah, because I mean he did, you know.
Well, come on. He's an adult.
Yeah.
How many times can you cater to him?
Well, that
I wouldn't feel bad. It's all
Right.
in fun. It's just he doesn't know it yet.
That's like tough love, right?
Yeah, right. And realistically, he needs to get home because I mean, he's told me several times that it's this thing that it's not really he was kicked out. It's that it's a mutual decision that they need space from each other, but it's like it doesn't make any sense because
No,
this
yeah,
is
because
him and his
actually,
wife.
Lara, that all kind of sounds like he's using you.
Yeah.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
You know,
But you don't know the whole story either, right? You're just getting the one side of it.
I only get Joe's side.
Right.
Yeah.
So how much truth is there?
I don't believe there's
Because you
very
know
much at all.
he embellishes a lot and probably he may lie a lot to you.
Yeah. Oh,
So-
I don't buy everything he
I'm not
says.
saying I don't know him that well, but again, there's probably
Well, I do know that Joe, I thought there for a while, well, is he just coming over here just to drink and have a good time? You know what I mean? And then go home? I don't know what's going on.
I'm feeling kind of guilty now because you gave me a beer. I did.
But Tom was catching him. He leaves like 2 o'clock in the morning a lot of times.
Where the heck's he go?
And then he doesn't come back until later on sometimes. So I don't know.
Do you want me to check to see? I mean, because you can't talk too loud.
Because
Yeah.
Tom's young, he can hear everything.
And he's
No.
It's like Terry. Terry can hear everything too.
The door was closed.
He's also like a sidler.
He's in
too.
his room.
He's a what?
Sidler.
Oh,
One of the guys that sneak up on the side of you. Like
Right.
he needs a pack of Tic Tacs.
something
So
shake. Yeah.
like
I'm
that.
gonna put a bell on him.
Yeah. You don't know how many times I'll be like, heck, Tom, you were right there the whole time?
Where'd you come from?
Yeah. He must walk like this when he goes to the house.
He may, or he just appears. You don't know.
Yeah. But yeah,
But I don't think you were wrong for kicking him out, though.
no, but I think to only make this, things work is I'm going to have to say, you know what? I don't think it,
Surprise, surprise,
Yeah.
surprise.
yeah, if I come clean, then,
No, don't come close.
You know,
No.
we have another. We have
yeah,
another
that's what I'm
part.
saying. So what I'm thinking is the only way we can make this work is if I sit there and say, you know what, I feel bad. I think I got to turn around and say, I realized it was you guys that did it.
But do you want to do that now? I mean, because you still haven't outed Tom as maybe a cohort
Well-
to Joe.
But yeah, but thing is, he's going to have to get him to, like, I don't want to say too much, but I mean, on the second part, he's
Right.
going to have to trust Larry somewhat.
Right. And I think the only way to do that is because, he's going to watch your video probably eventually, right? If he hasn't already. So
But where's he going to watch it? You can't watch it here. You think at home he's going to be kissing
on his
some-
phone.
You think?
Yeah, he can easily watch it. So if once he sees that you guys are the
But-
ones that planted it out there, right?
But he won't see it until next week.
Right.
No, I know that, but eventually he
Until
will. Is what I'm
after.
saying. So
Oh yeah, so eventually he'll know the whole
Eventually,
thing.
right.
He'll know the
We
whole
still have
story.
So that's what I'm saying. So why don't I just say to him that, you know what, I was angry, I wasn't really thinking straight, sorry. Maybe you should, you could stay here as long as you need
No,
to.
don't.
blah,
You
blah.
can't let him back in. I mean, this
I
is tough
think-
love. You got to kick him out.
I think we should. I think it makes more sense to go like that, so that I know he'll be over every day. Then I can, at any time that we set something up, I can get him there. You know what I'm saying? Because
Yeah.
he'll be here every day.
Yeah, he
I
has.
understand
he
that,
ha-
but you've got your life to live. You don't have to live your life around him because he's always going to be here.
Well, after
What
we
was
did-
that movie? There was a movie out there where the guy was always there, and they were living together, and the husband and wife.
that
not
Owen
Dupree.
Wilson.
Wasn't it Dupree?
Dupree
Me and
and
Dupree
me.
or something
Me and
like
Dupree,
that.
Or
That's the same thing. He's Dupree,
yeah, that was Matt Dillon.
I think. Yeah.
Yeah, it was
I
Matt
can't remember
Dillon.
who it was.
That and it was they were good friends, and
Right.
then he was
Didn't
doing
the other
something
one-
nasty in the house,
Yeah,
and
but
it
then the
caught
guy
the house on fire.
The other guy has the ass for the nose. The end of his nose.
It's
looks
Owen
like,
Wilson.
That's it.
Owen
Owen
Wilson,
Wilson. Yeah, he's
yeah.
got
Yeah.
that like cartilage nose.
Yeah.
Like a chicken bone. It's
Yeah,
kinda weird.
he was in that movie. Wasn't that the one where he was like, "I want to blow 7 different kinds of smoke"?
Yep. Sounds familiar.
I actually like him.
Yeah. No, he was good. He's got a good sense of humor.
Yeah.
No, we've got to.
You, me, and Dupree.
You made it
Yeah,
very
that's
good.
it.
Yeah, and it is kind of like that. But Joe is my boy. Like so,
Yeah. And I understand that.
and I think to make,
understand what you're
I
I
trying to
don't
do.
think he's going to be that mad.
no, but I think to make this work, I have to do this. I have to allow him back in, and just like I have
Well, yeah,
to.
I think so too, because you have to have him trust you somewhat.
Right.
If you think that's what you want to do, it's up to you. Your house, your game here. But
No, well, I mean, I'm hoping that like after the next step or whatever, that maybe he'll.
It would
What
be
movie?
actually easier to get him over if we're going to do it at our house, to get him over our house if he thinks that he's with Larry and doing
That's
something.
what I. Yeah,
Right,
that's what I'm
right.
saying.
oh, okay.
Because
I
and then
understand
it could be
that.
whatever time that you guys want.
Right, and then we can correlate together
Right.
times and whatnot.
And exactly how we're going to get over
Yes.
there and
Yes.
all that
And
stuff.
the group and what we're actually going to do.
Yeah.
And
Right.
formulate the plan.
Well, do you have that thing that
Oh yeah. Let me
You
go
wanna
get
give that to
Let
Jeff?
me go get that for you guys.
this is just maybe a possibility that
Yeah.
we could use.
Is this another time that we may be?
No, he did all this for us, you know.
I know he did that.
Yeah, he's in on it.
Just saying.
I think it's going rather smoothly.
Right. No, I agree there. It is. It's going very smoothly. And I got.
All right, here you go.
Is this Amazon?
Yeah, of course.
Very nice. We will put these to very good use.
Well, I hope.
Well, we have to test them first.
Yeah.
We have to test it.
What are you saying, hon? Why are you putting up the whisper sign? Is that a shush? I think that was a shush. Did you feel the shush? Why are you blushing?
Don't give too much information,
Oh my God.
Ridgway.
Well, I think we have you have what you need to do.
Yeah. Yeah.
We have what we need to do, right? Then we got to come up with the game plan of a time frame
Right?
and the crew or the
Yeah.
The availability
And then
of certain
availability of-
people.
And
peeps.
this won't go up right until way after where it's all done, right?
Oh yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Yeah.
because everything's on actual time.
Yeah, that works out good because, like I said, I definitely think if he's here, because if he's here, he always comes in like.
Is he supposed to come out?
Yeah, I think both of them come out.
Oh, okay. God, I'm scared.
And you
there
know,
for
it's nicer to do it that way where, I mean, besides people diming you out, but it's also nice to have something planned
Yeah.
so that if you wanted to do something else that week or whatever,
Right.
you have something already lined up.
Yeah. And I think that this works because with Joe, the more that Joe's, he won't be on his as much as like, well, I was going to say on his heels, like
On
in
his
other words,
laurels.
We're
like-
defensive.
yeah,
we're all
well, he's
Yeah.
defensive
Right.
if he thinks everything's going good here.
Right.
Yeah.
Whereas if it's the other way around, he's going to be more.
I
on
give
his
you a lot of
defensive.
credit for doing that because I don't know if I could do it.
I
But
get, I
again,
get along with Joe.
I know you do.
We play video games all the time. We play pop darts there. We play ping pong,
Right.
different stuff. So
But it's good to have a buddy. But it's
But
also
you see,
good
I
to
got
have
my
your-
first wiggle nogger.
Yeah, and how many points is that?
That's 10.
Wow.
I was born with my wiggle nogger.
I guess yoga is making him a little bit more agile, huh?
What? Oh my gosh! Did you like that part? When I
No.
thought about you and Diana had to go to yoga that night.
No, why did you say that? First of all,
I just
Isn't
say what comes into my
Nah,
mind.
honestly, isn't that funny?
it is funny, and your little gif was hilarious too. But no, I told Joe we went out to dinner.
Right?
So I mean, we got to get our story straight because that's
Why
the kind
couldn't you just go to yoga then to dinner? Why couldn't you just say that?
Well, that
It
is
could have
true.
happened.
That
You
is
could
true.
have linked it all together.
and that is the story from here on, right?
Right, and
we
Joe's
did
not
yoga.
going to ask us.
Yeah.
No, he ain't gonna.
And I
That's
got-
kind of like dudes don't say, "Hey, how was yoga last
Yeah,
night?"
right.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll just tell him, I was like, yeah, Diana had me go to this.
And then
yoga,
I would say, "Oh,
yoga
Larry's
class.
in his leotards
Yeah.
going to yoga."
I think I bent the wrong
Right.
way.
He wore his Crocs and his leotards.
They said doggy down. I'm like, whoa,
"Whoa, no doggy down here."
Whoa, I'm out.
Yeah. What's some of the lingo, huh?
Downward dog.
Downward
that's
dog,
it.
doggy down.
And then
Doggy
there's
down sounds
upward
better.
dog.
Yeah, we don't do no doggy down.
What's up, dog?
Yeah, what's up, dog? No doggy down for me. But I gotta say, your girls out there were very good. I mean, they were quiet. Your chickens.
Oh.
They were good. They didn't give us any problems. They were, they were very well
they-
maintained.
I'm sure they stayed away from you. the
Yeah,
whole
they were
time.
pretty good though.
Yeah, that's what they usually do.
But how
Unless they
often
think
you
you're bringing food.
How often do you clean the pan or the pen area where they poop and they nest?
It didn't
Is that
smell
bad?
that bad.
And,
I smelled
do they
ammonia.
play that xylophone there?
Once in a great while, I need to move it into the bigger pen because they spend more time in the bigger pen than that little one.
And the Christmas lights.
That's only because I've always had them in there, and I just
You've
leave them
always.
in
How old are these? 5, 6 months.
November.
I've
December,
had them
January.
off for my babies.
They're 5 months.
Right.
4 months. A little over 4 months.
Well, kudos. That was a
It was good. Yeah.
good job,
I thought it was a
yeah.
great job.
Yeah, I thought it was good too.
All I know is phase 1 is complete. On to phase 2. Perfect.